If you have only $70 in your bank account and you wanted to start a business, this video will show you exactly what to do. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. This may be one of the best videos I've made because it answers a very simple question. Ali, I have under $100. In fact, I only have $80 and I need to start making an income online. What can I do? In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you will be able to create pages like this, okay? 184,000, 543,000, 74,000, 180,000, and all of these people, what are they doing? They're driving traffic to Ecom products, okay? They're all driving traffic to e-commerce stores. I'm going to show you exactly how to create this, and it's not difficult at all to start a business like this, all off the back of AI, where you're doing very, very little work. You're letting AI tools do most of the heavy lifting for you, and you are starting a business. Okay, we're going to follow the game plan on the left. There's only 3 steps that you have to do. Okay, what is the 3-step process? The first thing is you're going to need to pick a business. The second thing is you're going to need to create the page, and the third thing is you're going to need to go ahead and fulfill the orders. Okay, so the business model we're going to be using is called dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you act as a middleman and you fulfill orders. You hold no inventory. As soon as you get an order, you go ahead and fulfill the order through your supplier. So you basically go ahead, you act as a middleman. When you get an order, you give the order to your supplier. The supplier ships the product on your behalf, and you are just the middleman that's doing the marketing and creating the demand and basically making sales. And obviously you're charging 2 to 3 times more what your supplier is charging, and so you're making a revenue in the middle. So step 1 is go to shopfunnels.net, go to templates, and pick out a pre-built dropshipping store. Now, what is a pre-built dropshipping store? A pre-built dropshipping store, just like this, is a dropshipping store that has already been built and designed for you. So inside of ShopFunnels, you'll find stores that are ready-made, and you might be thinking, if it is ready-made, how do you think it's going to be profitable? Well, if you go all the way down here and you check the product research, you can also see what store we are modeling. So in this example, we are modeling this particular page. Now, why do I think that this particular page has a shot of converting? Okay, why do I think that this store that we've completely modeled, okay, this store that we've completely modeled, why do I think it has a shot of converting? Well, it's because our research suggests that that exact product, if we open it up, that this store is actually making $407,000 every single month, and they're using this product page. So if we're able to find the supplier for this, which we have, it's in the research here, right? And if we're able to go ahead and build the same product page, which if this is the product page and we've built the exact same product page, right? Why wouldn't we get a piece? So wait, let me just zoom out. This is the exact same product page, right? Why wouldn't we be able to make the same amount of revenue? We have the same supplier, we have the same product page. Okay, so this is a really, really great beginner friendly business model to get started. Okay, so to be able to upload your entire business inside of your account, this is very simple. All you have to do is click the first link down below. You should be taken to a page like this. Now you can start using these pre-built dropshipping stores for just $1. Okay, now product research is done. The page is completely designed. You don't have to change a word. All you have to do is attach your business name to it and start driving traffic to this page. Okay, so you go ahead, start your dollar trial, pick which one you want, yearly or monthly. If you do yearly, you do get a bunch more advantages, right? If you go monthly, this is what the pricing looks like. I would do the bill plan. It's the easiest to start with. It is the most budget friendly. In the bill plan, you can go ahead and activate one of these pre-built stores. We just need one for this particular example. Then you go ahead and click start trial. Once you go through and set up your account, you'll be taken to a page like this. Make sure you select funnels and pre-built dropshipping stores, go to the one that you want, and then type in funnel, okay? And then what happens is your entire business goes and gets downloaded one click into your account. You didn't have to do anything for this to do, for this to work. And if you go here, click show any new tab, when you add to cart, this is where people will place their orders. Okay, so if you're a beginner, you don't know how to use shop funnels, you're coming from Shopify, or you have no website building experience whatsoever, don't worry. Every single person that does the shop funnels trial also gets access to the shop funnel sprint system. Now, this sprint system will give you the exact step-by-step that you need to basically just go ahead and add your domain, add your pricing, some upsells. All of that training is in here, but it's essentially so fast that you can go through it in one day and essentially have your store ready for traffic. So step one, go to shopfunnels.net, get on a trial, pick a store. Now, if I'm using this Instagram strategy, what my little hack for using shop funnels, I'm just going to go back here, is to select a beauty niche store. Okay, so there's a lot of different pre-built dropshipping stores in the beauty niche, right? The Moringa funnel, this is a beauty product as well, right? Then there is this one, right? This is a great beauty product, right? This also, I really like this business. It's a beauty product. It's also done over $500,000 in revenue, right? So these are the businesses that I would go into. Anything that promotes beauty. This is a great one. I actually launched this live on the channel and ended up getting sales. Doesn't matter what you pick one business and go through the sprint training to have your business up and ready in one single day. And that is it. Step one is complete. You now have a business that's ready to go, suppliers that will fulfill your products, and everything that is set. So your business is set. Now let's go on to step two, how to create an Ecom AI page. Okay, so now these pages, what they're doing essentially, guys, is they're essentially using AI avatars to go ahead and promote their particular products. Let's look at this one. This is a skincare product, and all it does is it promotes skincare, but it does so in a way that goes viral, right? They've been able to get this video that's gone 14,000 views, right? And so this is all of what they're doing, right? This has gotten 13,000 views, right? Most insane ways to clear your skin and lose some weight, right? Now they're going to go ahead and give you some tips, and then finally, right, this is an AI voice, and these are AI photos at the back of it. Okay, all of this is AI. Okay, so what is this person doing? This person is saying that if you do all of this stuff, you're gonna lose weight and you're going to go ahead and get better skin. So it's giving you all of these different tips, but finally, towards the end, look at what's going to happen. Okay, they're going to go ahead and pitch you a product. Okay, this is the product they're pitching, the natural pink serum that will fade dark spots and give you a soft glowing look. Okay, now this is what they're pitching, and then you can go ahead and then they're saying, go to the link in bio to get yours. Okay. And so this is exactly the strategy that we're going to be using to get 13,000 views, 20,000 views, 38,000, and 66,000 views. Now you may be thinking, Ali, how do I create this? If you have no experience in creating these pages that are so easy, don't worry. By the way, if you want this 3-step process, just comment down below. I'll send you this document, right? We go to the create, and these links will also be in the description below, so don't worry. Okay, so let's go to the AI Ad Academy. Okay, now in the AI Ad Academy, just go ahead and sign up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly sign up. Ali Akbar at gmail.com. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and unlock my free access. Okay, now I am inside the AI Ad Academy. Obviously, go ahead and bookmark this page so that you can always come back to it. Okay, then we're gonna go to AI Ecom video generation, and then we're gonna go to this particular training, how to have AI avatars promote your e-commerce products. Okay, now essentially in this training, what you're going to see, guys, okay, I'm gonna kind of make it a little bit bigger. Okay, what you're gonna see is me again display the page. All right, and the first thing we're going to do, just watch this training. It has essentially everything. It's a short 20-minute training, okay, where we're going to go ahead, and first thing is we're going to create the script for what's being said, and all of the prompts for everything are here. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is create the script, which is what is the person saying inside, right? This person, okay, this person is saying something. All right, so what is being said inside of this video? That's going to go ahead and generate the script. Okay, that's step number one. Okay, step number two is to go ahead and create the actual AI avatar. So we're going to go ahead and create the actual AI avatar, which is obviously this person. Okay, we're going to go ahead and create this person. And then finally, we're gonna go ahead and create the background images, okay, right here. Okay, so we're gonna, if I go over here, right, we're gonna create the background photos. Okay, now that's this stuff. That's these pictures in the back of the pairs of this and that, okay? And we're gonna then put it all together in an editor, and we're going to have our video ready, okay? Now, the trick here, guys, is to post a lot. Okay, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to post 2 to 3 times at least a day, sometimes even 4 to 5, depending on how much time you have to be able to see which ones go viral, which hooks go viral. You can also use a scheduling software like Buffer, so you can just basically spend an hour a day, create your videos, schedule them out to go out on relevant times, right? Make them go out like 2-3 hours apart from each other, so you cover all the time slots, and then have that going to your day. And then towards the end, when you inside of your Instagram page, over here is the link to what? Well, the link to your shop funnel, right? The link to your shop funnel, okay, is in there. All right, and then what's going to start happening is, because of your AI videos, you're going to start generating some orders. Okay, now when your orders are here, the final thing is, how do you go ahead and fulfill the orders? Well, inside of shop funnels, what will start happening, remember that I told you I launched this one particular business. I ended up generating sales. I ended up generating 2 orders from only 66 people that came inside of my funnel. So over here inside a store, you're going to go ahead and first, I'm just going to go all time. You're actually going to be able to see the sales that you've generated, okay? And all of the orders will actually show up here. I'm not going to flash the orders because I don't want to show the customer's information, but all your orders will start coming here. Now, what starts happening is there are 2 ways really to fulfill the orders, okay? Step 1, which is the manual way, is to go to whichever product you use. For example, let's say we used this product, okay? We go all the way to the bottom. Okay, we're going to go to the product cheat sheet, okay, and we're going to see who our supplier is, okay? This is our supplier. Right now, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to basically go ahead and buy from the supplier. We're actually going to buy now, okay? But instead of putting our address, we're going to just put our customer's address. And we're going to leave a note to the supplier saying, hey, I'm drop shipping this product, so don't include an invoice, okay? This is the easiest and fastest way to go ahead and set up your orders. Now, if you're thinking, Ali, I don't want to sort of manually fulfill orders, is there an automated way? Yes. So what you can also do is Shop Funnels actually goes ahead and connects to Shopify. That's exactly right. So Shop Funnels will go ahead and connect to Shopify. And if you have any auto fulfillment stuff set up inside of Shopify, you can go ahead and start auto fulfilling orders. Okay. Now, Shop Funnels is just $1 to try and $59 if you then start using it. Okay. Then the other software you're going to need, and this is going to be mentioned inside of the AI Ad Academy, is TopView. Okay. Now, when you go to TopView, right, I'm actually going to open up my TopView account. I'm going to go to my dashboard. TopView has, if I go to the upgrade option, you're probably going to be okay with the 19 a month, right? So that's 59. That's first, let's say you want to generate sales in the first 14 days. That's $1 plus $19, right? So that's about $20 that you need to start. And let's say you want to get shop funds, that's 59 plus 19. Okay, that's essentially it. That's all the costs involved in getting this business started. And you can then have a business that's up and running on free organic traffic. You're just going viral every single time, and you're testing proven winning products, and you're also testing proven winning pages. Okay, these are all pages inside of Shop Funnels that have proved themselves to work. So this is the easiest and fastest way that a beginner today can get started with dropshipping. Now, I have very, very specific videos on everything from using Shop Funnels to using AI Ecom videos, but this traffic source is going to get saturated pretty quickly when we see more and more AI pages coming up. Okay, so right now is the time. If you wanted to get started, this is the perfect time to start using these AI pages to start pushing your product. And the beauty about it is, once you crack it, there is nothing that you need to be able to do this. Because if you get good at creating Instagram pages, I know some people that they're so good at creating Instagram pages, they can get it up to 100K, 200K, 500K very, very quickly. Okay, so once you start becoming really, really good at creating AI Ecom pages, you're going to be able to sell literally anything to anyone, and you're gonna be able to grow audiences really well. Okay, so with that being said, guys, links to all of the resources are down below. Shop Funnels is down below. AI Ad Academy, if you want the link to it, go ahead and just comment down below. You know what, for this video I'll even put the link to the AI Ad Academy down below so you guys can get started. I want nobody having any excuse. So the link to Shop Funnels will be down below. The link to the AI Ad Academy will be down below. Put these two things together, start using the dropshipping model, and start generating your sales today. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and like the channel if you found this to be helpful, and come back here tomorrow for more of the same type of content. Thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.